Hey, what's up guys? My name is Susan and I'm gonna show you a way on how to play with Minecraft tlauncher with friends. So we're gonna start up right now. So we're gonna start up on the tlauncher world. There we go. So now we're loading in the tlauncher world. Also, you don't need two tlaunchers to do this. You only need one. And if you already open the other tlauncher. So you can be on what kind of you can be on any type of different uh versions. So play games with your friends. Don't need to go over to this version right here. You can just click on what kind of type of version, but I'm just about to go to I want this work because probably okay. Oh, I'm not responding. So now you have loaded into your world. So now all it just needs to go is to go over to your main menu and go over to open line and have you want to do if you want to allow cheats, you can allow cheats on, but if you don't want any cheats, the cheats turned off. You can cheat. So as you can see now it says movie game on 459838. So now all you want to do is just load in another tlauncher. Yeah, now you can see I'm loading up another tlauncher account. There we go. Now all I want to do is just change your account. So I'm gonna go back to my normal account on GBV account. As you know, we actually in United States. So now the stuff is loading up. Now all I just need to do is wait at the car and I'm completely going to company. So yeah, so just wait, it's about to take minutes. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna move this. Okay, it's not responding. It's not responding, come on. Okay, there we go. Got it fixed. Now all I want to do is just wait until you load up. So here you go. So all I just need to do is go over to multiplayer. And now as you can see this. Now click on join server, connecting server. There we go. As you can see now, we have joined it into the world. There you go. So now, as you can see here, let's go over here. So yeah, let's go up. There you go. You guys can see me. You see me, guys? Look. Oh, oh, oh. And there we go. You can actually wait. Wait, what? Why am I standing backwards? Oh, oh, Mama Box got to kill all my player. Okay. Now I want to just go over here. Then there we go. Yeet, yeet, yeet. No. Yeet. You're dead. So now if you want to keep on playing with your friends, but because you don't have, but you can't play on two accounts, you have to wait until you bought your own laptop and buy another laptop so you can play also with playing with your friends. So yeah, that's how you play with your friends in Minecraft tlauncher. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys see you next. Peace. And all I want you guys to do is go to video and subscribe to my channel and like this video and help me get 25,000 subscribers and help me get this video 2,000 views and 5,000 likes, because if I do that, I'll do a iPhone giveaway. I'll give you an iPhone. Okay. So I'm gonna tell my dad, Daddy, can you please buy me another iPhone so if I hit like 5,000 subscribers, so I can deliver a iPhone to the subscribers? Okay. So we are about to buy a brand new iPhone, so we can give away the iPhones if I hit 25,000 subscribers, which is good. So yeah, that's how you do it. So bye bye guys, bye. So that's how you do it. Bye.